My name is Chris. I'm from USA. Right now I'm in Dhaka. I've just completed a 6-day workshop with GMB Akash. I've been doing photography for 20 years and have had opportunity to be in many countries. I studied anthropology at the University of California. So it's put me in some fairly remarkable places. What I like about photography mostly, it's not about the color, it's not about the light, but it's the passport to go to places that I would not have any other reason to go. The people here are remarkable. Such life, such passion, such enjoyment, even under the most difficult circumstances. The workshop has been amazing. Taking over 1,000 photos a day, spending hours editing, and with every shot that I review with GMB Akash, he's very patient and describes to me where it could be better, what was good, what is not so good, and what to think about the next time. I feel like in the last 6 days, I've learned more about photography than I have in the last 6 years. And not only that, but there's just something about being in Bangladesh with GMB Akash. It's not only enlightened my passion or re-enlightened my passion for photography, but also for life and for humanity. I've taken a lot of classes of photography, but they've all seemed theoretical, even the ones where there were some assignments. In this one, it was a practical hands-on workshop. So I feel like over the 6 days, I've experienced 10 different environments, all of them with their own unique circumstances of shooting. And then in the evening, everything was the same. It was review time. Not only did GMB Akash give me feedback about every single one of my photos, but also showed me things in Lightroom, which I've been using for years, that I didn't even know. So I learned about photography. Each day my photography got better, my composition got better, my color got better, my light got better. But also my ability to do processing, and just light processing, subtle changes that made a remarkable difference in the photos that I took. This workshop has really been an investment in my own photography. I highly recommend this workshop if you're interested in doing high volume photography with close supervision and a learning environment to help you grow as a photographer going forward. If you're like me, you have thousands of dollars invested in your camera equipment. To really make that investment pay off, you should invest in one more thing, and that's GMB's 6-day workshop in Bangladesh. You will learn so much about yourself, about Bangladesh, and your ability to use a camera.